everyone, welcome to my channel, and today channel I will teach you one very nice dance step, okay? Just follow me. I will teach you without music first and then we will do with the music, okay? Let's go. So first of all, we do like this. Just open. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step, double hips. Okay? Again, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and march, march, double, double. We repeat again with the left, left, and right, and march, 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 double, double. Okay? Side, side, to the right and to the left, the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, go 3, 4, and march, march, double, double. Okay? When we do like that, we open our arms and do double, double. Okay? 7, 8, and 1, slide, 2, slide, march, march, double, double. Okay? Double, double. One more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, go 3, 4, and 5, 6. Double, double. Repeat to the left. Left. 1, 2, and march. March, march, double, double. Okay? The same thing. Double, double. You can, with your left leg, like a go forward and back like this, and open your arm in the same time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, go 3, and march, march. Double, 7 to the left. Go slide, 2, 3, 4. March, march, left, left. Okay? Let's put a little bit more tense here, okay? With more intention. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, go 3, 4, go march, march, double again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then I go to the right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4. Move to the right and shake your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. Left, 2, 3, 4. And then double step. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? One more time. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. We will do this sequence 2 times, okay? This part with arms. Let's start with the right. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. Again. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And second time, let's go to the right. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Shake. Let's go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double and stop. Okay. Let's do the 2 parts, okay? From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, and march. March your hips. Shake, shake. Go left. 2, and march. March, shake. Let's go. And right. 2, 3, shoulders. 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4 is down and up. Down again. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and shake shoulders. Let's go again. Left and right. Go down, down, up, down, up. Very good. We stop like this. I'll move our arms. 7, 8. 1, 2, and drop. Okay? Right leg. 1, left, 2, and drop. What I will do now? I will shake my hips here, okay? Like a circle, like that. 1, 2, and drop. Shake. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, and drop. Shake. When you up your knees, your knees now, do little bit high. Okay? Drop and shake. 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, 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 and finish. We'll do this sequence 4 times with the hips, okay? Let's go. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, drop 3, 4, shake 6, 7 again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7 again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, drop 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. When you move your hips like this, you can also, with your chest, make a circle. I'm doing to the right, but you can do to the left. It's kind of hard because you move the right leg, so how you turn your chest to the left. So try to do everything to the right, okay? It will be 1, 2, drop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, drop 3, and 5, 6, 7. More 2 times. 1, and drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice, huh? Very nice. After that, let's just point the music, okay? Before, let's do one more time from the beginning, yes? Together. I know you want. From the beginning. 5, 6, slide to the right, and slide. And march. March, march, over. And left. And right. March, march, and double. And 1, 2, shoulders, shake. Let's go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, up, and 1, 2, 3, shake, up, up, and left, and down, up, and now drop. 1, 2, drop, boom, shake, 5, 6, 7, 8, double, and drop. 5, 6, 7. Third time. 1, 2, drop. And 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, and drop. Shake. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, very good. Not hard, huh? Now we start. Just some points here. First of all, right leg forward, to the side, back, together, left, to the side, back, and fast. 1 time to the right, 2 times with the left. 1 time to the right, 2 times with the left. Okay, very good. Is after that, okay? So we will do now the last part of this. Remember, when we do this rolling with the arms, it's 4 times. And the 4th time, we do 1, 2, drop, shake, shake, shake. Can start right and left and back. Let's go. And left and right and back. Go fast 2 times. 2 times with the right. We start 1. 2 times with the left. We start 2. Last 1 to the right. Let's go to the left. 5, 6, 7, and finish. Very good. Well done. Now we will do some waves, okay? We open shoulders, elbows, hands, and down. And shoulders, elbows, hands, and down. But we do it fast, okay? In 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Let's start like that. 4 times. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And double with the legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and double. Again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and double. Relax. The secret is relax. Drop your air. Double. Again. Go 1, 1, 2, 3, and double. Double. Let's go with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and double. Okay, now we do the same movement, but without arms. Just shake. It's our improvisation, okay? Shake, shake, and double. Double. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3. Double, double, and finish. Boom. Okay, very good. We finish like that, like a continuous, right? So now it's time to remember all from the beginning. It's not hard. Come with me. Very, very, very slowly. In today's videos, I teach you kind of hip hop with reggaeton and some body waves. I love this step. If you know me, you know I'm dancer a long time, and I kind of practice reggaeton, hip hop, bachata, a lot of styles. But what I really like is mix everything for we do together and just feel the music and dance. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and march, 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 shake, and left, and right, march, 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 and double arm. 1, 2, shake your shoulder, shake. One more time. 1, 2, down and up, down, up. Again, let's go. And 1, 2, shake your shoulder, shake. One more time, one more time. 1, 2, down and up, arm up. Okay? Finish here. That. We start. 1, 2, drop, shake. More 3 times. 1, 2, and drop, shaking. 4 times. 1, 2, drop, shaking. Once again. 1, 2, drop, and shake. And leg right. And 1, and 2, and back together. And 1, and 2. Let's go fast. 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3 again. Let's go waving with the right. 1, 2, 3, double, double again. 1, 2, 3, double, double again. Go 1, 2, 3, double, double again. Remember now, we do wave without arms. And 1, 2, double, and double again. And 1, 2, double, double. Let's go one more time. And 1. And the sun is coming. Huh? And double again. And 1, 2, double, double, and wave arm up. And finish.